Welcome to Decor Like Dream, where we believe your outdoor space deserves to look stunning without draining your wallet. Here's something most homeowners don't realize. The biggest mistake isn't choosing the wrong furniture or the wrong plants. It's spending a fortune on shade solutions that break, fade, or fly away after one windy afternoon. Today, we're flipping the script entirely. You're about to discover creative, budget-friendly patio shade ideas that actually last and look incredible doing it. Let's talk about why traditional umbrellas keep failing you. They tip over, the fabric fades fast, they need constant repositioning, and somehow they are never quite in the right spot when the sun is blazing. The good news? There are smarter, longer-lasting alternatives that cost the same, or even less. Once you see how many options exist beyond the standard patio umbrella, you'll wonder why nobody talked about this sooner. Shade doesn't have to be temporary, flimsy, or frustrating anymore. Shade sails are one of the most underrated budget solutions out there. They are simple fabric panels stretched between anchor points, and they create this beautiful, geometric look that feels modern and intentional. You can layer multiple panels at different angles to cover more ground while adding visual depth. The best part, they are surprisingly affordable, weather-resistant, and easy to install yourself over a single weekend. In 2026, shade sail designs have evolved dramatically, with new fabrics that block UV rays while staying cool to the touch. Pergolas often get dismissed as expensive, but here's the angle most people miss. A DIY pergola built with affordable lumber can be completed for a few $100s. The structure alone transforms any outdoor space instantly. Once it's up, you have endless creative options. Drape outdoor fabric across the beams, grow climbing vines over time, or hang string lights for evening ambience. A pergola isn't just shade, it's a permanent, stylish outdoor room that adds real value to your home. Now here's one most people completely overlook: strategic planting for natural shade. Trees, tall shrubs, and fast-growing climbing plants can become your most cost-effective long-term shade solution. The initial investment is minimal, and nature handles the rest. Certain varieties grow dense enough to block harsh afternoon sun within just 1 or 2 seasons. It doesn't look like a budget fix either. It looks intentional, lush, and designed, the kind of outdoor space that makes neighbors stop and ask questions. Here's the mindset shift that ties all of this together. Great patio shade isn't about buying the most expensive product. It's about combining the right elements strategically. A shade sail over the seating area, outdoor curtains along one open side, a few fast-growing plants filling the corners. That combination costs less than a single high-end umbrella and outperforms it completely. At Decor Like Dream, we always say your outdoor space should feel like a retreat, not an afterthought. Now go build the shaded patio you actually deserve.